Hello, tubers! Hello, tubers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make this cute little bucket. Isn't this cute? Look, it says Happy Easter on one side, and it's got the bunnies in the basket with the... Isn't that adorable? So I made this with the help of the Hello Easter set from Echo Park. And two mailboxes from Lori Whitlock. Yes. So these are not the little mailboxes. Yeah, these are not the little mailbox cards. These are the big mailboxes, the ones that you can make and fold together. So you probably, this is the set. Okay, see, there's the little bird right there. He's double. Isn't he cute? And here's the little, yeah. There's the little branch with the little leaves. I didn't put the little heart on there. And the Happy Easter comes from the embellishment set, okay, which is where the bunny comes from too. See, there's the bunny, here's the Happy Easter, and the Happy Easter comes with its very own shadow background there. So there's that, and that's where all the eggs come from too. So I cut out all the eggs from the paper from the Hello Easter, which I think is from last year from Echo Park. So they're probably still selling it on their website. And so I cut out a bunny, and it comes with the little dots. But I didn't use the little dots to fill in his eye and his cheek and his ear. I did fill in his ear, but I colored them, and then I used Nuvo drops on them. Okay, now I want to show you, why would you want to use two mailboxes to make a double carrier when we have a double carrier that double carries things? See, it double carries things quite nicely. Well, because you can't fit bigger things into the double carrier, that's why, okay? But you can fit, for instance, these are spices, okay? So you could fit spices in there, okay, to double carry and give to somebody. These are, this is, what is this? I pulled it out. This is Vanilla Bean Noel Fine Fragrance Mist. And this is some of my Aveeno stuff that I use. So if you wanted to give somebody something like this for Christmas or for Easter, you could do that. Something bigger, okay? Something bigger around is what we're looking for. These are spices. This is curry and cayenne pepper. So something bigger around, that's why you might want to make a little bigger thing out of the mailboxes. And I thought, oh, look at that, you could use that. There you go. And this is how you do it. Okay, so to save us time, once you glue the mailboxes together, once you make the mailboxes, you're going to glue them together upright. Okay, just like that is how you're going to do it. Okay, and then you're going to take some paper. And the paper, now I've forgotten how big the paper is, but we will measure it right here. The paper is 2.5 by 7 1/4. Okay, you could make it just longer, but you know what I've discovered is that it's just easier to, you know, kind of do it this way. So then you'll take your clicky picker thing. I never remember what this thing is called. That's what I call it. Okay. So I made it in the color that I wanted it, the base of the basket. Okay. Yeah. So once you've got, you're going to need 2 of these. Okay. And you're going to want to take your... You are also going to need a strip of this paper. See, there it is, Echo Park. And it says Hello Easter. And it says, oh, it says 2018. Okay, I bought it last year in a kit. So, you know, there you go. So you want a strip of this 1 inch wide. And what you're gonna do with that strip, and by the way, it doesn't matter if it's got the little bit at the end. It does not matter. So this is literally how I made this, okay? So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your thing, it's 12 inches long, and it's 1 inch wide. Okay, there we go. And you're gonna have a bird, because bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird is the word. Is bird the word? Bird is the word. And you're gonna fold this in half, and you're gonna embarrass yourself on YouTube TV. I was gonna say you're gonna embarrass yourself on national TV by having it not fold completely in half. Okay, so let's try this again, and let's make sure it was all in the corner there before we ran this all the way down. Yeah, that's what happened. That's what happened. That's funny. Okay. Okay. What? A blooper reel? Yes, it's a blooper reel. Okay. So this is what happens because it's a little off. Yes, in the corner even. So now you're going to take this like this, and you're going to stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. Yeah, if you want to. You're on some glue in here. Make it flat. Okay. Oh, the sound of a crafter with a glue top in her teeth. Don't you love that? What? Yeah, that. Okay. So you really want to encourage this to bend, or it's not going to bend on your thing. Okay. There you go. Bend it, and you bend it, and you bend it, and you bend it. Now you pull all of these off. Okay. Now, this is what you're going to be doing. Okay. You're going to be holding these on here like this while you're putting this first one on. Okay. Or you can just put it down. All right. Let me show you what I can do here. You put it about halfway down. And you're going to put this on like this in the middle. You're going to run this around, running it around, running it around, running it around. And when you get here, you're going to put this, come on. You're going to put this on here. Okay. All right. There's one. All right. There's one. We got one. All right. And now we're going to do the other side. Okay. This is the easiest way I've found to do this. And honestly, all the little paper tapes, yeah, you can glue. If you're, you can also glue the handle in, but you don't have to. You know, you also don't have to. You also do not have to. All right, and now we're gonna do it again. We're gonna center it, we're gonna center it, we're gonna center it. We're gonna put this around here. There we go. There we go. And there you have it. So one of the reasons you want to put paper around it is because the die has the little hole for the flag. And you don't want that to show. And there you have it. And there's your little mailbox. There you go. And now you can decorate it any way you want to. Isn't that cool? There you go. Yay! You can decorate it with hearts. You could decorate it with other birds. You could decorate it just with Happy Easter. You could leave it the way it is. You could cover it with bunnies. I hope you enjoyed this. So it's another way to stretch your dies. There you go. Look at that. Give your spices to other people. Filling it up. So, we have diabetics in our family, so we don't always give candy. So, I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to hit the bell to subscribe. Remember to go watch other people on this channel, on the iCrafter channel, on the iCrafter blog. Remember, always think outside the box. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.